How can I tell if my problem is airflow or gas pressure related when troubleshooting limit switch trips? Limit switch trips happen when a heat exchanger gets too hot or a furnace misreads conditions, so start by confirming whether combustion and venting are normal. First, measure the gas line pressure at the gas valve while the furnace is running and under call for heat. Compare to the appliance manufacturer specification and note whether the inlet and manifold pressures are within tolerance, because low supply pressure or a blocked regulator will reduce burner heat and can cause delayed ignition or incomplete combustion. Second, inspect airflow. Check and replace the air filter, verify that supply and return registers are unobstructed, and ensure that the blower wheel is clean and the fan motor runs at correct speed. Restricted airflow causes heat to build in the cabinet and will trip the high limit switch even if gas pressure is correct. Third, listen to the blower and inducer for unusual bearing noise or flutter, which indicates reduced volume. And verify static pressure across the coil or heat exchanger if you have a manometer. High static suggests duct restrictions or closed dampers. Fourth, observe the burner flame pattern and stability. A weak or lifting flame can indicate low gas pressure or regulator issues, while a yellow or sooting flame points to poor combustion from pressure or air mix problems. Finally, if available, use a combustion analyzer to check carbon monoxide, oxygen, and stack temperature. Abnormal readings help distinguish combustion anomalies from pure airflow overheating problems. The three most common mistakes technicians make are blaming the limit switch without checking both systems, assuming a clean filter always equals adequate airflow, and ignoring transient gas pressure dips during ignition. If you jump to replacing the switch, you may miss underlying causes, so always measure temperatures and pressures first and save the switch replacement as a last step. If you assume a filter is fine based only on visual inspection, pull it out and compare pressure drop or replace it temporarily to confirm airflow increases. If you ignore transient drops in gas pressure that occur during the call for heat, install a pressure gauge and record while the unit cycles or observe for regulator chatter. If pressure falls, trace upstream for shared loads or undersized piping. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and contractors find new work related to HVAC and home systems through our searchable listings and project posts. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange troubleshooting tips, measurement methods, and real-world fixes.